See down range, my blue bottle. Good. Jam. Probably these golden bullets. This thing really likes. Only thing it really likes is the federal ammo. You can see down range or not. Jam. Very, very picky with the ammo. So don't particularly. That's why I didn't even buy this ammo. It was only stuff available for a while, but it's just garbage. I mean, it works for some stuff, but I may have to have the. Is a absolute pain. See if we can get that'll get it in there. So 33 rounds is awesome if it'll fire. So I pretty much only shoot this out of my, I didn't realize this is what was in here. Jam again. So we're gonna go trade these. Well, we'll shoot the rest of them. See if it'll cycle them or not. It hates it. Never had a gun jam more than this one. And I mean, it's bad, but it doesn't jam. Like I said, it does. If you'll shoot the federal rather than the Remington, that's empty. Magazine still not empty. We jammed again. I don't know if this stuff is just dirty or what the major malfunction is, but it is absolutely major malfunction. Well, I mean, it just will not go in there. So now it thinks that you can see, like, it does not. Whatever. Okay, we're done. Magazine's empty. Chamber's clear. Alright. We'll take these. Like I said, these are not for this gun. Alright. So, got this federal ammo now. This is 22 long rifle. And the Speedloader. And if you own this gun, you must have this Speedloader, because there's not really any other way to load these magazines. So you put it in here, really simple. Whoops. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, oops, 12, 16, 17, 18, 19, 4, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, and 33. So 33 rounds. Back up. Now you'll just immediately be able to see the difference with this. Well, and I say that and jams first thing. Can't even get one in there. I don't know the whole. I mean, there we go. So 29 now. Let's see. Downrange. We can. Pretty sweet. Our other target is underneath the trees down here. I had a 10-yard right there. I don't see. We got a hanging red down there. little. Oh, it should be an orange. Okay, so down there, I hadn't seen these in a while. I don't know what color that is. And that was the end of the magazine. So, Federal, much better than the Remington stuff in this gun. Now, it's not to say it's bad ammo, I guess, but if it's this gun, I'm telling you, you don't want it. And there's probably a better way to do this. I mean, I really like the gun, and I shot the Federal stuff out of it first and was very pleased with it. And then I had, I don't know, it was 325 round boxes, and after I did that, I had a 500 rounds or 525 of the Golden Bullets from Remington. Man, I'm telling you, as you can see, it does not perform well. So I don't know. Can't load more than 33, so I guess we're at the end there. 33. Let's see if we can't pull on this about 40 yards. I don't know if you can see down there or not. Go back to the blue. There's the one over there. It appears across the creek. It's rocking down there. All right, so we're shooting a little high today, or a little low. And blue. And where's our red? I don't see the red. Let's just go back to just got alerted on the trail cam. Might be a groundhog out there. Missed him again. On point. Shoot the. There's the red. And that's the end. Okay. Clear magazine. Clear chamber. Right. So, cool gun. As you can see, it cycles perfectly, or fairly perfectly. Not saying it's never going to jam, but the Remington versus the Federal, just don't even try with the Remington. Federal's the only way to go with this gun. And I've got some CCI stuff, but to be honest with you, I haven't even shot it through that. It's only about the second time I've had this gun out. So, pretty cool, lightweight. I mean, it's not a, it's definitely kind of more of a marksman's gun or whatever. Really a novelty gun. It's not something you'd, whatever. But it's a lot of fun to shoot. Not very expensive to shoot. Like some stuff has gotten to be. So, but you got to have this loader. American Speedloaders, made specifically for this. You know, I ordered the Speedloader before I even had the gun, just after watching several videos. But I can't imagine trying to load this thing. Yeah, you can't load it without it. So that's, I mean, that is one of the, I guess it's a drawback, but like I said, for this type of gun, this is, I mean, it's a range gun, or, you know, a plinking gun. It's not really going to take it out hunting or anything like that. It's just a fun gun to shoot. It's got a good capacity, so you don't have to keep reloading, but you get a ton of shots. It's just, and I don't mind the reloading, but you got to have a table. It's not something you really take out into the woods or something and want to be reloading. It's just perfect for plinking off the back deck. That's it. So there you can see that's a full double stack magazine, 17 and 16. That equals 33, doesn't it?